Hi there, students. To damn with faint praise. Okay, so to damn, to condemn to hell, but to condemn, to be critical. With faint, it's not very clear, it's not very strong. And praise is to say that's really, really good. So if somebody damns something with faint praise, they say things about it which they sound quite nice, but is not very enthusiastic and actually indicates that the person doesn't think much of it. Yeah? So English people, this is one of the things they do all the time. They damn with faint praise. Your picture, oh, how nice. That's damning with faint praise. Wow, look at it, what a beautiful picture. That's the opposite. Enthusiasm in the voice. Yeah. So, let's see. To damn with faint praise is to say something that is ostensibly nice about something, but it's not very enthusiastic. It shows a lack of enthusiasm. It's saying that this is the best you can say about it. Yeah, the critics damned his work with faint praise. They said it's all right, it's not bad. Yeah, but that is damning with faint praise. The teacher damned my work with faint praise. Yeah, pass. And the next. Oh, this one's really good. Yeah, okay, so this is the idea of damning with faint praise. To give something a compliment, to say something nice about it. Yeah, but it doesn't really amount to anything at all. Yeah, because it's very, very weak. Yeah, and itself, it implies condemnation. Because the British always say how fantastic, how wonderful, how lovely. Oh, how nice. This is damning something with faint praise. And this is the idea. Okay, so to damn, to condemn, effectively to criticise, and then with faint. If something is faint, you can't see it very clearly. It's not very obvious. Okay, so a very British way of doing something. It's absolutely fantastic. It's the best I've ever seen. Very good. And that is really the idea. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To damn with faint praise.